Hi guys, I'm in my Golf Mark II again, and today I'll show you guys how to disassemble the door panel from the door. So let's start with this piece. You need to pull it off. I already got it loose with a plastic lever. And as first, there's a bolt there, and there's a bolt there. So let's loosen it up now. So then the door handle is off. You got this thing to open the door. You have to pull these off too. It's a little unhandy with my left hand, but it's off. And also don't forget to pull the little door pin off. And then guys, don't just pull the door panel off, because there's a screw behind this little cap. The screw over here, over there. And if you get out of the car, also over there and over there. And please be safe, there's some little clips underneath the door panel. You need to wiggle the door panel next to it. So let's get the first parts off. So after the cap and the bolt is loose, you can't just pull it off. You need to make a little lever of a screwdriver or something, and it's coming off. Remind you, it can be a little bit stuck on there, but don't try to wiggle it off or pull it because it will break. Well guys, all the screws are out now. And please guys, be gentle with the door panel. It's really fragile. And it's also behind this rubber, we call it a window licker in Dutch as a translation. So just be gentle and pull the door panel off. I do it like this. I start here and pull it all the way down, and then the other side wiggle it a bit loose, and it will come off. And then guys, there is this on my car sort of, let's call it package plastic glued into this place. I'm going to replace it. So now the door panel is off, and if you pull this off, let's do that immediately. And it's off. So now you can get access to the window parts, the door opening parts, etc. So I hope you guys have this how to come in handy. So let me know what you think. Need something more? Let me know. So please like, subscribe and share guys, and until next time.